and easy-to-use t-shirt designer? It's right here at transferit.com.ph. For this episode, I have 3 t-shirt projects using 3 main features of their cloud-based design system. First, templated t-shirt design, perfect for those who do not have enough time, and then second, text-based graphics. Lastly, combining my photo with their clip art library. My projects will revolve around fitness to pump myself up every time I do my workouts. Let's start! The website offers various types of shirts. Now let's go to the first shirt, which is the Fit Performance T-shirt. This one is actually a templated design. That means we're gonna get from Transfer It Design Library. Okay, so in here you can see a lot of colors from royal blue, navy blue, gray, yellow, white. For this one, I'm going to choose something neon. So here's neon green because most of the Zumba classes napapansin ko na neon dry fit shirts talaga yung suot nila. Let's start to design. Let's click Add Design for us to see yung store designs ni Transfer It. Alright, so let's click Store Design by themes because we're looking for like a sports or like fitness theme. So they have the sports theme. As you can see, marami kang pagpipilian dito. So they have page 1 tapos may page 2 pa. But for me, I think I'm gonna choose itong Eat, Sleep, and Run. And let's just adjust kung saan nyo lang gusto i-place yung design. But for this one, kasi nakalagay Run. The good thing is you can edit this one and you can edit with something or like a sports na ginagawa mo. But for me, I'm gonna put Zumba kasi this is a Zumba shirt. And the icon also, I can change it by and grouping the design. So let's just delete this one by clicking the X icon. And then let's add a different icon related to Zumba. Let's try to search here. Yan, so they have naman. Let's resize it. Ganyan. And there you have it. We already have a Zumba Dry Fit Performance t-shirt. What you can do, you can preview the design. Ayan. If you want to save it, you can by right-click and then save image. Ayan, you can save it. You can also add to cart. Here's the add to cart icon. Ayan, naka-add to cart na siya. And then, you can also save the design. So, you can only save the design if you have an account in Transfer It. So, first, you have to create an account in Transfer It para hindi na kayo mahirapan next time and you can save the designs. For example, hindi nyo pa naman kailangan bilhin agad-agad and you have like the design in mind or products in mind. You can save it muna and then you can check it out later. Ayan. You can also email or share your design with your friends. So for example, if you're a group of people, you want to have your own Zumba shirt, then you can share it to them through Pinterest, Twitter, or Facebook. And you can also email it to them. Ayan. So now let's go to our second shirt, which is a raglan shirt. I mentioned a while ago that for the second shirt, we're gonna have like a text-based graphics. Alright, so for the raglan shirt, they have 5 different colors. For this one, I'm gonna choose the black. And then let's start designing with a text-based graphics. For the text-based graphics, my idea would be a motivational shirt. So that whenever I'm dancing or doing workout, I can motivate others to get a much healthier life. Let's see how we can do this. So for this one, I'm not gonna use Transfer It Design Library. I actually have in mind a motivational statement from Pinterest, which is, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. So let's try to add text. Gusto ko sana mapaglaruan yung different fonts. Gusto ko sana mapaglaruan yung different font styles and font colors. So let's try to do this. First, yung if it doesn't muna. If it doesn't, just to put emphasis on the important words. Ayan. For this one, we can choose something na medyo manipis yung font style. Ayan. If it doesn't, I'm gonna change this to black just to complement with the raglan shirt color. And let's add again, challenge you. So I'm okay with the red color just to put emphasis on these words, but let's try to have a different font style here. We can do shrink. Ayan. If it doesn't challenge you, so yung it doesn't change you, ang gagawin ko na lang, I'm gonna copy here. There is a copy icon. And then paste, 'di ba? Para hindi ka na paulit-ulit. Total, same lang naman yung gusto mong design with that. Tapos buburahin ko na lang yung if. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. So for the change, I'm gonna copy the challenge you font style. Ayan. Para at least uniform sila. And then delete. Ayan. So ganun lang kadali. You can save layout. So, siguro I can say motivational shirt. So, we already have it. For the last one, I'm going to combine my photo with a statement. So, we call it photo statement shirt. But for the photo statement shirt, I'm going to use Dry Fit Performance shirt again. Kasi pang fitness din siya. Now, for my final shirt, I want to create a photo statement shirt like I saw on Pinterest. For this one naman, I want to have a white Dry Fit Performance t-shirt. And then, I'm gonna upload my photo. Add design. Upload image. So, I want yung parang fitness-related photo ko. That's why I'm going to choose yung hiking photo. And then, give them the rights to print your image. As you can see, very vibrant yung kulay ng picture. That's why, the good thing is, you can edit here sa Transfer It website. I'm gonna change lang yung exposure. Babaan natin yung contrast and yung brightness para at least mas ma-emphasize yung ating statement. Ayan. So right now, let's add the design or like the statement from the design library. Transfer it. They have here the sports statement. Ayan, under sports category, wherein you can choose from 8 designs as of now. So I would like to choose the pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. So instead of black, para mas ma-emphasize pa siya, I'm gonna choose white na lang. Ayan. So we have the photo statement shirt. I save it again sa layout ko sa aking Transfer It account. And there you have it, guys. If I want to check it out, I'm going to check it out later kasi nasa saved layouts naman na siya. For quick layouts and mockups on popular gift items, just make an account here at transferit.com.ph where you can upload your photos and logo under graphics. Product layouts can be saved and checked out if you like it produced and delivered within a day or 2. Hit like and subscribe to receive more web designing videos. Thanks for watching!